What legacy are we creating? One of sacrifice, patriotic service, and national purpose, or one of plunder? Ladies and gentlemen, the liberation struggle was not waged so that a few could prosper while many remain in abject poverty. It was fought so that every Zimbabwean could walk in dignity and economically empowered. Our duty is not to merely honor their memory. It is to implement their vision through ethical leadership, clean governance, unity of purpose, and economic transformation. Therefore, his enduring aspiration was to see that same stability, prosperity, and national cohesion firmly established in his own country, not as an abstract ideal, but as a lived reality for every citizen. We need to take note of significant progress under National Development Strategy 1 and NDS 1 as we transition into National Development Strategy 2. Defeat corruption and uphold a whole of government approach, realizing our vision of becoming an upper middle income society by 2030 hinges on our collective commitment to ethical behavior and the rejection of selfish and enrichment practices. We promise that we will continue to work hard and defend and prosper what you have sacrificed your whole life.